Commerce and business is completely changing with the innovations of artificial intelligence. But what's exciting is that there's going to be so many new opportunities for young, hardworking people all around the world when it comes to artificial intelligence being applied into a range of different things, industries all around the world. It's going to completely change certain roles, but it's also going to create new opportunities. So for any students out there that are interested in this space, I would suggest immerse yourself, learn, listen, and I'd follow the opportunities because there will be a lot. AI, as we know, is going to completely transform so many different industries, but other industries will continue to remain the same. But I guess what's really exciting about AI is it's going to make things more convenient for people all around the world, for students, for business people, for customers everywhere. AI offers instant gratification in many ways for so many things, and it solves problems quickly. It doesn't replace humans, hopefully, in most cases, but it enhances human potential. So I'm really excited to see the future of AI. I'm really excited to see what that holds for so many students around the world and how it will completely transform some of those careers that they'll go into in the future. Some of the challenges, I guess, of AI is, of course, some of the moral questions with regards to AI and also the job potential of displacing some people. So I think AI represents a lot of opportunities and a few challenges for people all around the world. But especially if you're a young student looking for opportunities in the world, AI is going to open up a whole new world of opportunities. It helps unlock human potential, it speeds things up and makes things much faster for so many people. So if you're a student that's interested in learning about artificial intelligence or computer science, AI certainly, I think, will represent a great opportunity for you. The change we've seen in the last few years with regards to artificial intelligence has been nothing short of remarkable. And so for students who want to stay ahead, the best advice I could give you is to read, to learn about artificial intelligence, to test it, to have a play with it online, but really just to be aware of what's happening. Informed people see opportunities ahead of time. And so if you read the news, if you read what's happening with artificial intelligence, watch some videos on YouTube, see what's happening and keep abreast of all of the changes. Because ultimately, things are moving so quickly, the best thing you can do is keep up with what's happening because opportunities may arise from your knowledge and being informed. I read a report some time ago that was talking about all of the new roles that won't exist today that will exist in the future. And things like artificial intelligence are completely shifting the landscape of the jobs market in the future and create opportunities and challenges for students today. There are certain industries that I think will always be steadfast and strong, where those relationships are dependent upon, but also I think there are industries that will be changed and transformed by artificial intelligence. So certainly an industry I would suggest that is a great spot to be if you're a student a prospective student looking to study abroad is artificial intelligence, is studying cybersecurity, is studying technology. There's so much opportunity. Technology is truly transforming the world. And if you follow that path, I think of course it's of interest to you, then I think that's a great place to start. Look for opportunities, read, learn, listen and grow. And I think that's a sector that represents a great opportunity to many young people looking to study abroad all around the world. So the advice I'd give to students that are really looking to stay ahead when it comes to business and innovation and technology is to listen, to read a lot, and to build relationships with as many people as you can in those industries. Because the more wonderful people you build those relationships with, the more you learn. And the more you can learn about sort of the subject matter of business, of technology, of innovation, the more meaningful change you can make. So listen, learn, and build relationships with wonderful people that will help you in your future career in those areas. If you're looking to study abroad, go no further than AECC. We're here to help. We've got an amazing global team of counsellors all around the world with over 15 years of experience and so many university and college partners. We are here to help. Reach out and connect with one of our counsellors today.